After unboxing the Birdies beds, we're now assembling the flat panels together. The box comes included with some screws and some nuts. So what you want to do is assemble the flat panels first, depending on what configuration you want to have the Birdies beds be. We've chosen the 51 inches long by 35.4 inches wide configuration. So we're putting the flat panels together first, and now we're assembling the rounded panels. Keep note that the rounded panels must be screwed into the flat panels on the outside. We didn't do this the first time around, so we had to unscrew all the screws and rescrew them back in, which takes a little bit of time, and why it took us about 45 minutes on the first go, but on the second and the third, we were able to complete this in about 20 minutes with two hands and helpers here. So you'll just continue screwing in all the screws and nuts around the Birdies bed until you've assembled all the flat panels and the rounded panels together, making one complete raised bed here. And as you can see, we're building these beds pretty easily with a bunch of kids in the background playing with some bubbles and getting messy out there, but we're still able to finish this in no time on one lovely afternoon. And then lastly, you'll want to take a drill. This will make your life so much easier. And take the drill using an 8mm box end wrench to hold the nut, and then you'll go all the way around the Birdies bed again, just tightening all those screws. You want to make sure that these are super tight. We use a low torque setting on the drill to avoid over tightening. And then the last step here is to take the safety rubber channel that is also included in the box, and you'll want to take that all the way around the top edges of the raised bed here so that you're protecting all your little fingers in the future from getting hurt. But basically, you're going to have to use your muscle fingers here, your finger muscles, to press open the rubber channel so that it'll fit around those overlapping pieces, which are the hardest parts to get around. And then just cut the excess off and you're done. So I'd like to give a shout out to my husband Jake, my daughter, for making this afternoon fun, but that's it. That's how we installed our Birdies raised beds. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.